Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 tile laying machine. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Tile laying machine. The tile tiling machine is a powerful and efficient tool for both professional and detailing projects. Its high-power motor ensures smooth and precise laying of large floor and wall tiles, saving time and reducing effort. The integrated floor vibrator guarantees even adhesion, minimizing gaps and uneven surfaces. Built for durability, it handles heavy-duty use with ease. Lightweight yet robust, it improves productivity and accuracy in tiling jobs. A reliable choice for anyone looking to achieve flawless tile installation quickly and efficiently. Number 4. Tile laying machine. The 8-speed tile laying machine is a powerful and convenient tool for both professional and detailers. Designed for cordless operation with a Makita 18V battery, it offers effortless mobility and flexibility on any job site. Its 8-speed vibration system ensures precise tile leveling, reducing installation time and minimizing errors. Lightweight yet durable, it handles large and small tiles with ease. Overall, this tile vibration leveling machine combines efficiency, reliability, and user-friendly design, making tile installation faster and more accurate. Number 3. Tile laying machine. The 48VF electric tile tiling machine is a powerful and efficient tool for professional and detailing projects. Featuring 5-speed settings and a high-frequency vibration system, it ensures precise floor leveling and strong tile adhesion. The package includes 2 batteries and 1 charger, offering uninterrupted work sessions. Lightweight yet robust, it reduces fatigue while improving productivity. Ideal for large-scale or intricate tile installations, this cordless machine combines convenience, speed, and reliability, making tile laying faster, smoother, and more accurate. Number 2. Tile laying machine. The electric tile vibrator with 130 mm suction cup is a versatile tool for precise tile installation. Featuring 6 adjustable speeds, it ensures consistent vibration for perfect leveling on both floor and wall tiles. The 130 mm suction cup provides a strong grip, making handling smooth and reducing slipping risks. Lightweight yet durable, it simplifies large and small tile projects alike. Ideal for professionals and enthusiasts, this tile machine boosts efficiency, accuracy, and overall finish quality, making tile decoration faster and hassle-free. Number 1. Tile laying machine. The tile vibration leveling machine compatible with dual 18V/20V batteries is a versatile and efficient tool for both floor and wall tile installations. With 10 adjustable speeds, it allows precise control to achieve perfectly leveled tiles, reducing gaps and uneven surfaces. Its cordless design offers excellent mobility and convenience on any job site, while the ergonomic build ensures comfortable use during extended work periods. Ideal for professional tilers and enthusiasts, this tool significantly speeds up installation and improves overall tile quality. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.